appalling. Today is a day of shame. Water, which is a scarce commodity in Marathwada, instead of the water going to the people who need it, the villagers who need it, this water is being acquired by rich businessmen through private water tankers. I want answers from every politician. I don't want this usual blame game that is taking place. Mr. Arvind Sawant, what is the Shiv Sena doing to stop this water tanker mafia which we have exposed today on this channel?
I strongly condemn this. You have rightly captioned it as a demon of drought. I really appreciate that point, and I really congratulate your reporters who have done this job. It's a shocking thing, when the people are suffering due to this drought, they are suffering for a drop of water. They are trying to get even a glass of water for drinking, and at such a time, the people who are on ruling, the way he was answering, it was total escapism. Definitely it is a government duty, but the government duty is being executed through the municipal corporations or the Jilla Parishad were there. And naturally they too are equally responsible. Forget about the other thing.
Right.
When the situation is such a worst situation is there, and humanity has to come out of this thing, as a human being, how can you take the water, drinking water away for a businessman to, and that too you are selling it to a businessman? Don't you feel ashamed of it?
So we feel,
you should deplore it.
Arvind
Sawant, the action should have strongly deplore it.
Sir, you deplore it.
Shiv Sena is concerned.
Yes.
We don't defend this. Let me complete one sentence. The chief of the party, Honorable Uddhavji Thackeray, you must be knowing it. He himself is taking such a big initiative in Marathwada. He has visited number of times. We have provided tankers on our own. Shiv Sena is providing tankers on our own to provide drinking water to people.
Right.
Of the drought people who are suffering over there in Marathwada.
Sir,
That's what we are doing on our own.
Sir,
I feel these are the people should be hanged.
You are saying these
they
people
deserve a severe punishment.
You are saying you are saying people should be hanged, that this is deplorable. My question though to the politicians, what is going to be done about it, Atul?
The point is that suppose he is supposed to supply 850 tankers. They will supply that also. Sometimes they may be doing some corruption there also, but the main point is that the source of water, from where they collect water, so that 850 tankers are being already provided. In addition to that, in the night they go and their source is again extracted from there, and that means suppose they are supposed to collect 850 tankers from such one river or one pool, one pond, whatever it may be. And that case, they will collect 1,000 tankers over there, and 150 they will sell in addition to this. So that also is what happens.
Sir, I know.
Source of water is to be monitored.
Right.
And I would request the Honorable District Collector to
Sir, I want to take a break
also.
Sir, let me take a break.
The water, because that is again,
you have to preserve.
Sir, let me take a break
that water.
Sir, let me take a break. I need to take a break at the moment. There is plenty more on this issue. We will come back to all of you. We are going to carry forward this debate, sir, in our future programs. So we will come back to you both on Aaj Tak and India Today. This investigation has been done simply so that the administration wakes up. It is not being about any one individual party. We believe that in Maharashtra at the moment, all parties must come together in this hour of crisis. Yesterday was Maharashtra Day. We cannot celebrate Maharashtra Day when large parts of the state are going without water. That is unacceptable, really, in the truest sense of the term. Thank you all very much.